In the afternoon, Mayor, still in your wards and in your district speaker, we are going to be handing over, joined by Change Richmond as an NPO, the National Lotteries Commission. We will be handing over to Ndabezitha Khumalo personal protective equipment for her residents and for her office and for her whole tribal council. Because Amakhosi awavalile ama office because they don't have PPE. And they didn't close them because they feel the service they are rendering is not good enough. They closed to protect themselves, their families, and the community. But in that protection, the reality is, you want the 350, we want the confirmation of residence in a stamp. So for the first time, COVID made people understand the importance of a tribal office. You want to apply for your bank, open a bank, sicela confirmation, your residence. Where are you going to get it? Mauhlala emakhaya. KwaNdabezitha. But Ndabezitha's office is closed because akafuni ukukunika iCOVID, akafuni nawe uyilethe iCOVID. So we're trying to really provide PPE to Ndabezitha to actually open their offices so that this essential service that COVID has reminded us, we are going to be respecting them, we are going to be understanding the role they play in our lives, and as a structure to actually begin to say, hey, let's stamp Nkosi yami sibaluleke kakhulu naleya signature yaNdabezitha ibaluleke kakhulu. So that is the other opportunities that COVID has actually assisted us with.